Hey there! Is your LG G7 ThinQ giving you headaches with its charging port issues? You are not alone, and it's a common problem many folks face. In this guide, we'll take you through practical steps on how to fix LG G7 ThinQ charging port problems, ensuring your device is back to powering up efficiently. Step 1. Safety first, power down. Before diving into any fixes, safety is crucial. Start by powering down your LG G7 ThinQ. Hold the power button until the option to power off appears. Confirm the shutdown to ensure there's no electric flow to the device, which can prevent any short circuits or other potential risks during your troubleshooting. Unplug any cables that might be connected to the charging port. Step 2. Inspect and clean the charging port. Dirt and debris can easily gather in the charging port, causing poor connections. Use a flashlight to carefully inspect the port. Grab a can of compressed air and gently blow into the port to remove loose debris. For a more thorough clean, use a wooden or plastic toothpick to carefully dislodge any trapped lint or dust. Be gentle to avoid damaging the port. Step 3. Check the charging cable and adapter. Sometimes the issue might not be with the phone itself, but with the charging accessory. Examine your charging cable for any visible signs of wear or damage, such as fraying or bends. Try using a different compatible cable and wall adapter to see if the phone charges. You'd be surprised how often a faulty cable is the culprit. Step 4. Test another power source. If switching cables doesn't work, try plugging your charger into a different power source. Outlets can become faulty, so test with various wall sockets or even a USB port from a computer to rule out an outlet issue. Step 5. Perform a soft reset. If cleaning and changing the cable don't resolve the issue, performing a soft reset on your device can sometimes help. With the phone powered off, press and hold the volume down and power buttons together until the LG logo appears, then release and quickly press the power button again. This can reset minor software issues affecting charging. Step 6. Software update check. Sometimes software glitches cause charging issues. Ensure your device is updated to the latest software version. Go to Settings, System, Update Center, System Update, and ensure no updates are pending. These updates can fix bugs that interfere with charging. Step 7. Seek professional help. If all else fails, it might be time to visit an authorized service center. The problem could be with the internal hardware, such as a damaged charging port that requires professional repair or replacement. Trained technicians can accurately diagnose and fix these issues, often under warranty, if the device is still covered. Fixing the charging port on your LG G7 ThinQ can often be tackled with some simple troubleshooting steps. By cleaning the port, checking your accessories, and ensuring your software is up to date, you can often resolve minor issues. However, seeking professional help is essential to avoid potential damage if the problem persists. Remember always to act safely and carefully when handling your device. With these steps, you can keep your LG G7 ThinQ charged and ready for use, avoiding those frustrating low battery moments. Thanks for tuning in and happy charging.